morning students. In exercise number 1.3 we will discuss about third sum. Already we finished the first and second part. The question is direct question is given. For in the third sum, this is the word problem. We make as the given question convert it to the matrix form. Afterwards we use the matrix inversion method to solve the given sum. So what is the question given? A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary. A man is appointed job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount with the annual increment. So we don't know how much, what is the salary, man's salary, as well as we don't know the amount of increment. That only we are going to find a annual salary as well as the monthly increment using the matrix inversion method to find that one. So what is the question? What is the information? What is the data given in the information? So if his salary was 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after the 3 years of service. What is the meaning? After 3 years of service, the man get the amount what? 19,800. Again, he get 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. After 9 years of service, he get the amount what? 23,400. First 3 years of service, he get the amount is what? 19,800. 9 years of service, he get the amount with the increment. He get the amount is what? 23,400. Find his starting salary. What is the original salary? Find his starting salary and his annual increment. We are going to find what is the initial salary, what is the original salary as well as is the annual increment. What here question itself given. Use the matrix inversion method to solve the problem. What is the meaning? After 3 years, he get the amount is what? 19,800. After 9 years, he get the amount is what? 23,400. Using this given information, we are going to find the what is the starting salary as well as the annual increment. Use the matrix inversion method. I explain the question. Refer the book. Now, what is the solution? Let x be the salary and y be the fixed amount. X is the salary, y be the fixed amount by given data. By the given data from the question. What happened? X plus 3y because x is the what? X is the initial salary, y be the annual increment. What is the question? What is the information? After 3 years, he get the amount is 19,800. So with the salary as well as his increment, we get the amount is what? 19,800 after 3 years. Similarly, after 9 years, his salary as well as increment is they get the amount is what? 23,400. So given information, write in the linear equation. Now this linear equation can be written in the matrix form. The above equation or linear equation can be written in the matrix form. How to write in the matrix form the given question? So write the coefficient of x and y. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. Coefficient of y is what? Nothing but what? 3. Coefficient of x is here what? 1. Coefficient of y is what? 9. What is the variable given? X and y variable given. So x and y is given. Now right hand side that amount of salary 19,800, 23,400. What do you understand? So the above linear equation can be written in the matrix form. Now so 1319 xy 19,800, 23,400. So the first matrix keep it as what? A. The second matrix x is keep it as capital X equal to this matrix is keep it as what? B. So Ax equal to B. So Ax is equal to B. What is your x? X is equal to A inverse of B. X is equal to A inverse of B. What is the formula? How to find A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First we are going to find the inverse, A inverse. What is the formula? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we need determinant of A. What is the matrix given? 1319. Find the determinant. Downward. Already I told you. Downward minus upward. This is 19 is 9. 19 is 9 minus upward. 13 is 3. 19 is 9 minus 13 is 3. 9 minus 3 is nothing but what? 6. That 6 is not equal to 0. If the value becomes 0 means we are unable to find the A inverse because A inverse formula is what? 1 by determinant of A. Determinant of A becomes 0 means you are unable to get the solution. So determinant of A is not equal to 0. Next what? We are going to find the adjoint of A. How to find the adjoint of A in 2 by 2 matrix? Just interchange the main diagonal. This is the 1 9 is the main diagonal. So interchange the main diagonal. 1 9 become what? 9 1. Change the sign of the other diagonal. Plus 3 become what? Minus 3. Plus 1 become what? Minus 1. Interchange the main diagonal. 1 9 become, rewrite as what? 9 1. Interchange the sign of the other diagonal. Plus 3 become minus 3. Plus 1 become minus 1. Now what is the formula? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Now 1 by, what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is nothing but what? 6. Adjoint of A is what? 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Now we find the A inverse. Now x is equal to A inverse into B. Already we find the A inverse. Again B. B is question itself given. See what is the A inverse? A inverse is 1 by 6, 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. What is your B? B is nothing but 19,800, 23,400. So substitute the value for A inverse as well as the value for B. Now we write in the matrix. We substitute the matrix for A inverse value as well as what? B. Next we are going to do the matrix multiplication. First row with the first column. Before we do the matrix multiplication, before we do the matrix multiplication, we do the easy calculation, because 9 is multiplied with 19,800. So very easy. For first you take 100 outside. So if the constant address taken outside, already having 6 also in the denominator. So numerator take 100 by 6. So matrix become what happened? 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Here if we take 100 outside means this is what? 198. This is what? 234. Again you want to simplify more means what happened? So which is common for this one? We take it what? 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Take 6 is take common. Again we take 6 common. First 100 by 6. Again next step I will take 6 is common. If we take 6 is common means for 198 become 33, because 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 18. So take 6 common. Already 100 by 6 is outside that one. Again next step we take 6 also take common. Otherwise if you know means what? Directly multiply with that number. So if multiplication very big, so we do the easy calculation. I will take first step I take 100 outside. Next step I take 6 outside. So 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Again you cancel, we get what? 39. So 100 by 6 already having. This step 100 by 6 is already. First 1 by 6 is having, take 100 outside. Again next step we take 6 outside. So 6 cancelled. So what happened? 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Again here what? 33 39. 33 39. So now if we do the multiplication, 6 cancel. Again one more step. So next if you cancel calculation means 1 3 is 3 1 3 is 3. Here also what? 1 3 is 3 3 3 is, and again if you want means again 3 is taken outside. 3 taken outside, what happened? So already 6 cancelled, balance is 100. This step we take 3 outside, remaining is what? 11 and 13. So now 9 minus 3 minus 1 1, 11 13. If you do the 3 steps, otherwise you do the direct multiplication as your wish. See, 100 into 3 is nothing but what? 300. So 9 into 11 is what? 99. Minus 3 into 13 is what? Minus 39. 9 11s are 99. Minus 3 into 13 is what? Minus 39. Next, minus 1 into 11 is what? Minus 11. 1 into 13 is what? Plus 13. Now 100 into 3 is 300. 99 minus 39. 99 minus 13 is nothing but what? 60. 99 minus 39 is 60. Minus 11 plus 13 is what? 2. Next we find the x. X is equal to, here what? The constant multiplied with the, multiply this matrix. 300 is multiplied with 60. Again 300 is multiplied with 2. 300 into 60 what? 3 6 are 18. How many is 1 2 3 0? So 18,000. 300 into 60. 18,000. 300 into 2. 600. So x is taken as rewrite as what? Small x and y. Because the matrix is, what is the form is we write is The matrix in the form is Ax is equal to B. So capital X is nothing but what? Small x and y. Small x and y. So instead of capital X, what we do? We take a small x and y. Therefore, x is equal to, what is x? Rupees 18,000. X is equal to rupees 18,000. What is our y? Y equal to rupees what? 600. So x is what? What is the starting salary? X is nothing but the starting salary. Y is nothing but the annual increment. Therefore, the man's starting salary is what? Rupees 18,000. Annual increment is what? 600. Because we keep it as what happened? What we taken as, let x be the salary and y be the fixed amount. That is, the fixed amount is nothing but what? Fixed amount is nothing but what? Increment. Fixed amount is nothing but what? Increment. So x be the starting salary, x be the salary and y be the fixed amount, that is the increment. Therefore, what do you find it now? So we get the starting salary is rupees 18,000. Annual increment is what? Rupees 600. The sum is very easy only, but you understand the sum if you do using the matrix inversion method. Because read the question one more time, make the equation properly. X plus 3y. After 3 years only get the amount is what? 19,800. After 9 years only, what is the amount he gets from the fixed salary with the annual increment? He get the amount is what? 23,400. So the linear equation is, if you doing taking correctly, means you get the answer properly. So x plus 3y equal to 19,800. X plus 9y equal to 23,400. This is the linear equation. The linear equations can be written in the form of what? 1, 3, 1, 3. Coefficient of x and y 1, 3, 1, 9. Again, the what are how many variable x and y? So x, y equal to 19,800, 23,400. Now get the ordinary matrix form we get. So we using the matrix inversion method. What we do? A. The first matrix keep it as A. Second one say x equal to B. X is equal to what? A inverse of B. What is the formula for A inverse? A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. First we find the determinant. We get not equal to 0. Again adjoint of A. Substitute the A inverse. A inverse 1 by determinant of A is instead of 6A. Adjoint of U. Next step is what? Next step we go to, we get x is equal to A inverse of B. Write A inverse value as well as B. You substitute, do the calculation part, go through the calculation part properly. If you know means directly you multiply and subtract. Otherwise you do the easy calculation. Taken first 100 I take outside, after I take 6 outside, again I take 3 outside, we get the easy calculation. So multiplied we get what happened? We get the starting salary 18,000. Starting salary 18,000 and annual increment is 600. Children, go through the sum properly, take down for your class or notebook and do it one more time for your rough notebook. Thank you children.